What's going on, guys? 40 Brothers here for another video, and today's just gonna be a quick little update video. It's currently
been a while.
It's been a little minute. Yeah. It's currently cold as hell outside, and so we're
some snow action out
some
there.
snow, some freezing rain.
Freezing rain action.
Yeah, so we're in our garage, and because you guys always complain about the heater in the garage making too much noise, we're sitting inside the E55 for this little update.
It's a little dirty in here, huh?
All right,
a little dirty.
Yeah, it's a little dirty in here. We've been daily driving the car, so obviously you can probably tell by this video, we just hit 405,000 miles on it. Not too bad. We haven't really been driving it all that much because, well, the car needed a lot of work, and we've been slowly working on everything that needed to get done.
Taking care of all that stuff.
Yeah, and plus with the weather, so we haven't been driving that much. But this semester we're trying to drive the car every single day. That will get us like 50-60 miles, you know, commuting back and forth to school. So
yeah, so we've been racking them up a little bit here, and like Nick mentioned, we've done a lot of work so far, and there's still some more to go. I say we probably still got about 2 more grand worth of work to go, and yeah. So, but nonetheless, we've been daily driving because now it's actually daily drivable. Daily drivable. Yeah, so that makes sense. Yeah,
we can tell. So, like I said, 405,000 miles, and from the other part of the title, we had to take the car to our local Mercedes-Benz dealership to get serviced, and one of the things we did was we got the differential service because
why not?
Why not? The records never showed those changed. I'm sure it was.
Obviously, yeah, it was definitely changed multiple times.
It had to been, but
we just wanted to do it anyways just to be safe.
Yeah. So, but one of the things that we brought in for was the continuous gas smell that we've talked about in plenty of videos.
Yeah. Annoying gas smell.
We had so many mechanics look at this car, and including dealerships, and they just could not figure out what was wrong with it. Like 2 weeks ago, me and Matt, we were out in the yard not really working. We were working on cars, and I said, you know what? Let me open up the seat underneath and see if I can smell anything. And I smelled gas real bad. And then the next day,
actually, I opened the seat.
Well,
I smelled the gas. He's taking all the credit for it. I did the work.
Yeah, whatever. Same thing. But and then that night we filled up the tank all the way, a full tank, which we really haven't done in this car because we weren't driving it. Yeah. And the whole garage smelled like a BP gas station. It was terrible.
It smelled so bad.
So nasty. 2 days later, we take it to the dealership. The gas components on this car are under a 15-year warranty.
Yeah,
so,
they know that already.
Yeah. So the dealership, they looked at it. Now, the first time we brought it to the dealership, they said that they looked at the car. They charged us like a couple $100.
I'll tell you now, they charged us. The first time we took it there, we had the gas issue and the transmission issue, but they charged us $300 to look at the gas smell and the transmission issue. But
at the time we said it might have been like in the engine area, the smell, which it still is. So they only looked at the engine area. They didn't bother to look at
it's like almost they had their blinders on. Like we said, hey, there's a gas smell. We think it's coming from the engine bay. Check it out. And they're like, I don't smell anything coming from the engine bay. I don't know. And they knew about the warranty thing, and we knew about it too. But we thought it was coming from the engine bay. So we told them, hey, look at the engine bay. And then, like Nick mentioned, smelled it from the back of the car and stuff. We said, you know what? I have a feeling that maybe we'll give it a shot. Maybe it's one of these warranty parts that are causing a problem. So we took it up there, and they're like, oh yeah, you need a new gas tank. So why didn't you tell us it the first time?
Yeah, so they put a new gas tank. I don't know. So now
it was under the warranty, so we didn't pay $1 for it.
No, really nice. Now as far as the gas smell, when you fill up the tank, you don't really smell it too much.
Face is cut off a little bit.
You don't really, you don't really smell the gas anymore from the inside. You don't smell. The only time you really smell gas now is from which is still from the engine bay after like driving it for an
hour or something,
like an hour. But that might be from a vacuum.
It doesn't like reek like it used to, but like if you put your face up next to like the front grille, you're still gonna smell a little bit of a gas smell. Not nearly as bad as it used to be. So the new tank definitely helped out a lot, but like I mentioned, there's still a little bit of a smell. Yeah. You know what? It's got 405,000 miles on it. It's no spring chicken.
No, so we got a new gas tank. Didn't cost us anything, and that's pretty much it. That's a little update video.
And
405,000 miles, new gas tank now, ready to go.
Yeah, ready to go do some driving. But so in our next video, which we're actually going to film right after this, we're going to be answering the #1 question that you guys all had about this car, and that is how much do we pay for it?
How much we have invested.
And we're going to tell you guys also how much we have invested for it, because you guys are going to be pretty shocked how much money we have invested in this car. It's kind of sick, but you know what? We really love this car. We're passionate about it. We really love Mercedes, and this is one of the cars we've always loved, so we're going to do anything we can to keep it on the road. But I think that's pretty much it for this video.
Yeah, so
we're going to close it out.
Yeah, so just a quick little update video. If you guys enjoyed it, give it a like, share it. I mean,
this is so depressing. This
is not really a good video. I mean, this is just a little update video. It's not like anything real entertainment. Just to let you guys know something. So,
you know what? Give it a like if you like it.
You know what? We'll see you guys next time.